At the strategies that really help the brand boost customer engagement in real time and brand loyalty, right? So quickly summarizing those points, customers today are no longer merely looking for deals and discounts, but they are also looking for some real connect with the brand based on the brand message, the relatable product service quality. They are seriously looking at aspects of sustainability and so many ways the brand or the organization is impacting the community around. Second is it's always important to create a balanced strategy that connects customer touchpoints, let's say your buyer persona, your brand engagement, all of that in real time, and encourages user generated content. The idea here being to bridge the gap between traditional and your online channels with very clear customer journey mapping. Fourth point is obviously the one which we discussed, where in spite of digital, ensure there is always a direct relationship with your end users one way or another. And the easiest way we saw we could do that is by delivering exceptional products and services, genuinely responding to queries, feedback with as fast as possible. Point five is a lot of brands make a mistake by trying to stand out. Yeah, so we saw a wonderful example of how customers today, what are their expectations in real sense. So rather than trying to stand out, become one by embracing the customer community as part of the brand message. Point six being focus on personalization. Yeah, so we saw some amazing examples in the fashion, so where personalization, including innovation, bridging together with innovation, ease of delivery, payment, freemium model. When it came to the SaaS example which we saw, and our related subscription models made tremendous difference in the way customers ended up purchasing, referring, and making repurchases. Finally, the last point being empower customer research insight, your hardcore analytics to understand and serve your end users much better. See, it's always crucial to remember data is the heart of a digital marketing campaign and content is the soul of a brand.